Hi, my name is Tagger. I currently do automotive detailing and other automotive services. I chose PDR because I see it as a subsidiary of the automotive industry that it's kind of niche and it's not very saturated right now. It requires a lot of skill and a lot of dedication to it, which really appeals to me. And there's a lot of earning potential in it, to be honest. I chose PDR Canada for PDR training. First reason being that they're 20 minutes down the road from me, which saved me a lot of travel costs. Second reason being I spoke to Dominic, the owner of PDR Canada, personally over the phone. He answered any questions I had and reassured that this course would be valuable, and that's proved to be true. I learned that Dominic makes a mean capicola, and his wife Tanya feeds us very, very well, so thank you, Tanya. Aside from the food and the hospitality, learned lots about PDR in the industry, and not just the technical aspect of pushing the dent itself, but also the business and the soft side of the industry. Pricing, interacting with customers, landing jobs, social media marketing, so the whole package deal. The training itself is very, very good. It's intense, but it's also very relaxed. The boys here are pretty hard on you, but they teach you good habits and they make sure that you succeed and set you up to succeed with different drills. If you're not understanding, there's 5 different techs here to speak to, and they all have a different take on it.